Hello everyone, welcome to the greenhouse and welcome to the channel. It's Danny. Today's video is brought to you by orchidsupply.store.com. They have everything you need for growing all of your orchids and your houseplants. And if you use the code Danny, D-A-N-N-I, an I at the end, not a Y, but an I, you will also receive 12% off using that coupon code. Now I hope you enjoy the short video of my trip to the Cleveland Zoo, and I just put in some parts that are my favorite parts of the zoo. I hope you enjoy. Is it fake or real? I think it's fake. Maybe. This is the Cleveland Zoo's Rainforest area. Alright, I'll follow you. I think this is like some kind of philodendron. Look how massive it is. Like it goes up, here's my waist. It's huge. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, here's some of their orchids. Look at this cattleya. Ugh, it kills me. I can't reach it to smell it. Beautiful. You guys check out how big this boya is. I know you can't tell on the video, but those things are probably bigger than my hand. So beautiful. This is my favorite part about the zoo. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Oh, look how big this is. Oh, I love it. Is that a pothos? Hold on, you guys, hold on. Look how big this pothos is. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm coming. My kids aren't as thrilled about the plants as I am. What?
We can go in.
We can go in?
Watch the sign.
One way up. Ooh, let's go. This is the top of the tree house. Hold on, guys. Look how big that monstera is. Look at it. Goes forever. Look how big those pothos are. Holy cow.
What?
They're huge.
Look how high it is, Mom. It's so creepy.
It's not creepy, it's beautiful.
Mom, can we find our way down here?
How big? So this is where they usually display the orchids they have in bloom. Beautiful is that? Oh goodness. I want to live in Florida so bad where I can see stuff like this on a regular basis. Let's go down to this one. Hold on. It's fading though. Oh my gosh, those are huge.
Junior.
Look above you, Junior.
Look behind you. There's a parrot.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Look how big it is.
It's beautiful. Hi, bud.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Get a better look at this orchid. Even though I can't smell it. Look how pretty it is. That's so pretty. This is one of my favorite little exhibits here at the zoo. because they have so much going on in here. But I love. Look how beautiful. And they have one climbing up right there. I love the colors of it. So pretty. Huge sleazy plant. This is the blue poison dart frog, it says.
Down. A blue frog, I found it.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Is it called orange? I found it. Mom, I want this bed so bad. Let me do.
That's beautiful.
Now can I be my home? And I think a big door in here. That would be so cool.
Oh my god, his face. I love his face.
There used to be doors. No, there's doors up there. There used to be a big door. Yeah, there used to be a big door.
Hi, bud. Hi.
I saw one right there. It's like, oh, yeah. Daddy, stories over there on
Look at it.
Look at this sequence.
Oh, it's amazing. Look at that
Look at
one.
this. Look at this seahorse. Look at this seahorse.
I know the lighting's horrible, but I promise you that one is yellow.
How are they going back?
Because they're magical creatures that shouldn't exist on Earth. Look at it.
Would they exist on Earth?
Hi, fella. Oh, look at it wrapped with its tail. Oh my goodness.
As a seahorse.
Look at that elephant.
I'll leave you guys with the elephants. I hope you guys enjoyed some of my favorite things here at the Cleveland Zoo. Happy growing, stay safe. Till next time.